Hello friends, welcome to All About Tech. Today I am gonna show you that how you can reflash or recover a custom recovery in Mizo M2. As you can see that currently I am in fastboot mode. So what you have to do is you have to power off your phone. As I power off my phone, I can show you that currently there is no TWRP recovery or any recovery in my phone. It stuck in the Mizo logo. As you can see that it is not moving ahead. So what you have to do is you have to power off the phone and go into fastboot mode. Make sure that you have already connected it to a PC. Now to go into fastboot, press volume down and power button simultaneously. After a few seconds it will move into the fastboot mode. As you can see that it has already moved into fastboot. So go to your PC and open the folder which I have attached in the link description. Open the batch file in that folder. Now type fastboot devices. It will show your device if it is connected correctly. Now type fastboot flash recovery and the designated path of that recovery or file. I will just drag and drop that file from the folder. See that here it is my old TWRP and I dropped in it and pressed enter. After pressing, it will take around 5 to 10 seconds for flashing the recovery. As you can see that it has sending the recovery and it has shown finished. Now you have to restart your device. Firstly, disconnect it from the PC. I have disconnected, so now I am gonna reboot it. Now press power off button to reboot. And as I want to go into custom recovery, I will press volume up and power button simultaneously. Wait for few seconds. See, it has shown the Mizo logo and here it is the custom recovery. So if you have liked this video, do not forget to press like and subscribe button, and yeah, share it too. Thank you friends for watching it.